Hey guys, it's me Elise, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. I have a new wig from Unice, and if you guys check the info section below, I will have all the details, links, and information provided there. And if I can find a discount code, I'll be sure to leave that below as well. So here's everything that I received with my wig, along with this new paddle brush, in which I did use throughout this video. But let's go ahead and get into this wig. I have their new UNiceHair wig, and this is what it looks like. It does come with the pre-cut lace, making this extremely beginner friendly. It also features the breathable air wig cap, so you have access to your scalp if you need to scratch your scalp, if you want to oil your scalp. This wig is also perfect for the upcoming warmer months. This wig also has the removable adjustable strap and the silicone backing, making this wig 100% glueless. So before I do anything to this wig, I wanted to put it on just to let you guys see how I received it. Now, firstly, I did notice that I am going to need to bleach the knots. I'm going to need to take away some density around the hairline, so I will be plucking there. And then I'm going to shampoo, condition, and get this wig styled up. I'm going to go ahead and start off with bleaching my knots. So this wig already comes with the lace pre-cut, so I do find it to be super convenient for time's sake, and also if you don't completely trust yourself when it comes down to cutting off your lace, this is a huge plus. However, I'm the type of person who actually prefers to go in and customize the wig myself. So when I was tweezing the hairline, it kind of posed a bit of a problem for me. Now, is it doable? Absolutely, you can definitely go in and tweeze your hairline with no problems whatsoever. However, I just prefer to have that extra lace there because it kind of acts like a guideline for me. Now, if you are a beginner, do keep that in mind. But for the most part, definitely take precautionary measures when it comes down to tweezing your hairline, being that that lace will not be there. But I'm going to go ahead and remove some density just along the front perimeter. Now, you're only working with about 4 inches of lace, so you shouldn't really have too big of an issue. And that's all the hair that I've removed from the hairline. I'm going to create my own little baby hairs, being that this wig didn't have any, or I didn't see any. So I'm just going to lay up the baby hairs and get those styled up. So I just pretty much let the wig sit and air dry. It took about 2 days for it to dry, and you do notice that with this body wave texture, it did dry completely straight. So you are going to need to restyle up the hair in order to bring back some of those curls. So I'm going in with my hot comb just to flatten out the top. Be very careful because I did find that this wig is a little bit on the thinner side, and the tracks do seem to sort of poke out just a bit along the top of the wig. But for the most part, I'm going in with my 1.5 inch barrel curling iron, and I will leave everything that I'm using throughout this video in the info section below, so be sure to check there. But I'm just going to go ahead and just do some large section curls. Make sure that you guys do use a holding spray as well as some pins to kind of pin up the curls while they cool. So now I'm removing those pin curls, and you guys see how gorgeous this hair is looking. So I went ahead and I got dressed, threw on some makeup, and now I'm just applying just a little bit of foundation to the lace. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get the wig on, and I did adjust the removable adjustable strap to where I can wear this wig 100% glueless. You don't have to use any adhesives or anything like that. I'm now going in with a little bit of powder and applying that to the parting area just to make that part pop and kind of look like actual scalp. And so now let's go ahead and get into these curls. I'm just brushing them out to kind of give additional body, and you guys get into that, like, oh my god, it's giving body yaddy. I'm here for it. But I still wasn't completely satisfied, so I went ahead and I broke out my scissors, and now I'm attempting to cut some layers. Y'all don't copy me here. I cannot cut my hair for the life of me, but I tried. So I just decided to cut a layer just to kind of frame my face, and I'm just kind of re-curling that area. And if I can give you guys a bit of a suggestion, definitely use a better holding spray. Do not use Garnier Fructus because it did not work for me. If you guys have the Got to Be Glued spray, use that and you should be fine. But for the most part, you guys get into this hair. It's super soft. My hands like literally glide right through like a hot knife through butter. It's super soft. Look at all of that body in movement, y'all. I am so here for it. You guys do check out Unice. I will have all the information and details located in the info section below. Y'all check out this hairline. Like, I really did that. Like, if you guys remember how it looked in the very beginning, we definitely got somewhere. And for those of you guys who may want to wear this in a side part, you can definitely achieve a side part. Y'all look at that. Yep, you can get a side part even though it's like a 4x4 wig. But yeah, you guys, this wig is super soft, super flowy, and I am here for it. Once again, you guys check out Unice. I will have all the information located in the info section below. Let me know if you guys will be purchasing this for the upcoming warmer months, and if you guys do like this wig on me, I'd like to know you guys' thoughts. Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.